Hey guys, this has literally been the best day because it's cold outside and I think it might snow. I'm inside just hanging out, not planning on going anywhere. So I thought I would finish this February bullet journal photo journaling page. I'm not really sure if that's what they call it, but I think it's called a photo journal. Anyway, when I do my photo journals, I do it by week for the month, so I have written all the weeks down for the month of February, and I want to start doing them at the end of the month, but I got really excited and wanted to go ahead and do this one. So when I'm writing, I'm actually writing what my focus might be for that week or what I want to focus on for that week. So I chose these photos I found in some old magazines I have. I liked them because they went with my February theme, which was hearts and roses. I wanted to find a word for every week of February, and I chose trust and courage for the last 2 weeks. Just going to focus on trusting God, and then I'm getting ready for a trip to Asia, and I'm very anxious about flying by myself so far away, but I want to have courage to do it because it's something I've wanted to do for a long time. And then I decided to go back and do a word for the other first 2 weeks of February since I liked it on that page. I kind of have this thing with my fake succulents. They keep trying to escape the table. I'm not sure why. And that's it. Well, actually, I thought I was done, so I started playing around with the washi tape. And then I realized, I didn't put washi tape in my journal, so I'm just picking some out, but I had a really hard time finding washi tape that I thought went with this spread.
And you deserve, and you deserve, and you deserve, and you did it right from the start.
And I'm done. Hope you enjoyed this video. Like it or subscribe or do what the cool kids are doing today. And hope you have a great week. See you in the next video. Bye.